FragWatch here. I got cat hair on my shoulders. I was wearing a cat as a scarf. Little kitten, a Maine Coon. Pretty cute. Might have seen him on some live streams. I'll be doing those again soon here. Got this Waizowl Cloud Ultra. Let's sing her in.
Oh, we've got the Cloud Ultra. Oh, that Waizowl. Ooh, that
Woo-wee. Let's unbox this bitch. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. It's their ultra wideband mouse. Let's get her open. We got here. Let me do this first. There we go. We got the box. A little note honoring the players who have been with us since the beginning. The Waizowl team. Thanks. I was a supporter of you guys for years now. Very big fan. Anything I got to cut? Got a cutty boy right there. Ooh, let's try and do it so I don't slash the owl. We came close. Is there one on the other side? Yes. Oh, this one's going to get the owl. I need another knife. Link me a knife in the comments, guys. I need a knife. I got some Tonto knives on order. This looking good. This is looking pretty. Let's see if I can do it without ripping it. It's I don't even know if these would help the resale value if I have the fuck it, whatever. I'm FragWatch. Got a Waizowl sticker. Okay, you got to put your own skates on. They got a reinforced C. That's nice. We got reinforced C port, metal. Put your own skates on. Quality control sticker. Nice. Looks like we got pairing mode and DPI. It's cloud shape. Feels a little bit larger than a cloud. A little bit wider. Clicks feel good. It's a good color. Okay. Cord is a stiffy boy. Really stiff for a Waizowl cord. Okay. Pretty stock and standard. So this dongle is. We got a special dongle for this. It's ultra wideband, so I guess it's got to be a little bit bigger. I bet it's like an array. Like a mesh array instead of just... The package defeats me though. Jesus. There's just... Okay, we ripped the other one. Fuck it. Let's rip this one. All right. Do a little... Oh, what the fuck? Oh, this is so you stick it to your desk? Yep, stick on desk magnet. That's kind of neat. I'm not going to rip my fucking desk up, though. You can just fuck off with that nonsense. Okay, here we go. This is... Does this... What? Oh. Oh! So you just latchy boy that on for charging. That's okay. Okay. All right. Okay. I like that. We're good with that. Where the fuck are my skates? There they are. Okay. Here we go. So what kind of skates come with this? This might be a custom skate job if these are shitty. Let's roll the dice. Roll the dice. Why would anyone put grip tape on this beautiful... That's nice grip tape, though. This beautiful mouse. It's like so beautiful. Why would you put fucking grip tape on it? Oh, at least the grip tape kind of... The pattern kind of would look... It's like a floral snowflake pattern. Look good on that. Maybe. Okay. So it's not the worst grip tape. Got an instruction manual. In case you... I can't say the words I want to say. In case you don't know how to use a mouse because you're maybe lacking DNA. Skates. What do you guys think? Dot skates on this? Full skates. I'm going to be testing out some cloth pads, so we'll go corners and sides. Where the fuck's my... Oh, only one sensor skate in here. Let's watch me fuck that up. Okay. Got one dot skate upside down. Okay. Corners. I like corners. Okay. Oh, let's get you off there. Oh, I wonder if that's going to be a problem. Like, what the fuck? Oh, it's optional. Look at that. This is magnetic. Okay, so that's like an optional piece. You can just have it normal too. It can be a normal boy. Okay. Let's back off there. It can be a normal boy. Wish I could be a normal boy, yeah? What do you guys think? Should Hano be a normal... Shit. I thought there was going to be another peel there. Oh, man. Doing this while 6 sucks. I am complaining about putting on a fucking ring skate. Because I'm sick. Oh, Big FragWatch is sick. He's having such a hard time. There's the fucking dot skate. Peely boy. There we go. Blue matches that. That's kind of cool. That's going to freak me out, though. Because all the other... Oh, no. I'm an idiot. I thought that was the color of the skate. I was kind of excited for a second. Honestly, I was like, damn. That's interesting. Okay. Let's get these. How do I want that? Do I want that all the way on the back there? Yeah, I do. I like doing the back first. I like doing the back first. FragWatch, you silly pervert. I know it, guys. I know it. Old man FragWatch. Unc. For you young ones, Unc is coming in here and putting skates on a fucking mouse. Slow-mo. You guys can chill. If I don't get to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas, or by the end of the year or something, I forgot my metric. God damn it. Did I fuck that up? I did not. Okay, we're good. We're good. If I don't get to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas or the end of the year, FragWatch is done. This, just review them for my friends, my Discord, whatever. Takes up a lot of time. I do like being one of the few probably one of the only reviewers that buys all his own shit and gives honest reviews. No. Well, not all of it. I've gotten two products for free. Both were okay. I got to review that Raw M Tech thing. That mouse. It's not bad. Yeah, look how like my ADHD is like, my OCD is like kicking off with those corner skates. They're like, not. Oh God. I bet my heart rate. Let's check my fucking heart rate. It's like, it's got to be high right now. 102. 102. That's how aggravating that shit is to me. Good God. Like, my resting heart rate, 62. It's really good. Lost like 40 pounds in the past 6 months. That's good. Oh shit, that feels real good. Oh boy, whoa. We're on the Wallhack VA005. I can't wait for their control variant, but oh my God. All right. Oh boy, that feels really good. That feels so fucking good. I can't believe how fucking good that feels. Oh, we're gonna play some Battlefield with this. Woo! All right, guys. Check you in the next one. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Oh, it's not hooked up. I got to use this one to turn this fucking recording off. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Love you guys. Back in the saddle. Giddy up.